Okay, the second part of working capital management is about inventory management. So first of all, if we want to manage the inventory, we need to know the 3 types of inventory. So the first one is raw materials. The second one is work in progress. And the third one is finished good. Right, so the 3 types of inventory, because we need to know that these 3 types of inventory before we want to manage the inventory, because we need to classify what types of the inventory that we have in our stock. So the first one is raw materials. So raw materials is products which it is not yet to be sold. All right. So example is steel and rubber. So it's a raw product. It's a raw material. Okay. You purchase this inventory from the supplier and you transform these products into a finished good. So it's a raw material. For example, if you make business in fabric, so you need a fabric. For example, you sell a clothes. So you need a fabric to create a cloth. So that fabric is considered as raw material. All right, so work in progress. It's a product which not yet finished. But it's not raw materials, but it's a product which not yet finished. So we call it as work in progress. So example of work in progress is like computer chip. Okay, then and the last one is finished good. So finished good is a product where you will sell it. What your business do, and you will sell it as a finished good. So it's a finished good. So these 3 types of inventory, the way you manage these 3 types of inventory will be different. Alright. So this is a fundamental of inventory that which you need to know. All right. So another technique of managing inventory, you need to know the economy or the cost. So each of the materials, each of the inventory, you need to manage in terms of ordering the inventory. So you need to know how much the cost of buying the product. So we call it as economic or the quantity. So how to calculate economic or the quantity? Economic or the quantity. So the formula is equal to 2 times usage in unit times with order divide with carrying cost. So let us do the example. Assume that RLB Incorporation, manufacturer of electronic test equipment, use 1,600 units of an item annually. So its order cost is $50 per order, and the carrying cost is $1 per unit per year. So substituting this information into the above equation, so we got it as 2 times with the usage in unit, how much annually, how much the unit is being used, which is 1,600 units, times with the order cost per unit, which is 50 dollar, right? So divide by 1. 1 is the cost per unit. So the answer is $400. So sorry, it's 400 unit. Because we want to know how much is the economic order quantity. Okay, so what is the optimized quantity to be ordered? Okay, so we use the economic order quantity. All right, so once you know the ordering cost, so how much is the ordering cost? So cost divided by order. So it means that times with numbers of order per year. So ordering cost is equal to $50 times with 4. Okay, so the answer is $200. So it is the ordering cost that that the company need to order per annum. So basically every year. All right. So according to the economic order cost quantity, the company need to order about $200.